ఏమైనా చెప్తే అది ఫుల్గా క్లారిటీ లేకపోతే అమ్మాయి విందు. బయాలజీ స్టూడెంట్ ఎస్ సార్ మోనాలి సార్ మోనాలి సార్ ఈజ్ అటెండింగ్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాసెస్. అమ్మాయి బయాలజీ స్టూడెంట్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాథ్స్ అదే సార్ చెప్పారు మ్యాథ్స్ ఓకే మా ఇంట్లో డెమో సార్ ఆల్రెడీ వాచింగ్ యువర్ వీడియోస్ సార్ కొంచెం సేవ్ చేశారు సార్. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. What we have discussed in the last class?
Sir, last topic was graph variation of E for a solid sphere.
So solid sphere and a hollow sphere that we have completed for gravitational field, right?
Yes, sir. Now potential.
Now potential. Okay. Now potential in the Saturday class.
Sir,
Problems. Tell me.
sir. Now, if we take all these expressions and differentiate them, then we'll get it, sir.
Yeah, happily.
Yes, sir. Then why we need to learn separately?
Yes.
Potential?
Why we have to learn separately, but everyone, so many members are there. They should get to know what is happening, right? So look at this. Okay. So gravitational field.
Sorry, sir. Sir, it is integration, right? Because E is equal
Gravitational field, yes. Gravitational field due to hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. This is the topic that we have discussed in the last class. Gravitational field due to hollow sphere and gravitational field due to solid sphere also that we have discussed. Okay. So hollow sphere when we have discussed, so three cases will be there. Tell me, ma. Outside, inside, sorry, outside, on
Sir, could you
surface.
please send the PDF by today?
Yeah. Today he will send, ma. Today we will send.
Okay, sir.
Outside, on surface, and inside. Today it will come now. Okay. Sir is doing the same work. Just I asked now. He said. Okay. Now look at this. We have discussed gravitational field intensity like E due to hollow sphere. Outside we have discussed how much it is there. Inside how much it is there. On the surface how much it is there. That we have discussed. Okay. So now potential due to okay, it's the potential now. Potential due to hollow sphere. First topic, that is potential due to hollow sphere. Now tell me, gravitational field due to hollow sphere, how outside how much we got?
Gm by r square, small r.
Minus gm by r square, right?
Yes, sir.
On the
Sir, I
surface,
have a doubt.
mm,
Sir, potential is always positive, right?
potential is actually, right, scalar quantity.
Sir, it is positive, right?
Mm,
From
positive.
infinity to a point.
Yes.
So the
Positive.
difference can be negative.
Difference can be negative, but it is positive. And that if you give negative symbol, that means it is representing that it is acting inside. Yeah, difference can be negative. It is positive. Why? Because it is a scalar quantity. It is vector quantity. So here negative symbol is telling that it is acting towards the center. Okay. So that's so. On the surface, how much we got? Minus gm by capital R square. Inside, how much we got? 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Risha, clear? Ask me.
Sir.
Am I clear this?
Yeah, sir.
Yesterday we discussed. Yesterday you was there or not? Like,
Yeah, I was there, sir.
so these are the things that we have discussed, right? Outside, how much gravitational field will be there? On the surface, how much gravitational field will be there? Inside is 0. Why it is 0? I explained, like, due to the, because gravitational field is,
One thing, sir, is this competitive, like these topics?
yes, even it is important for, it is there. I think in syllabus it is there in the boards also. Important topic. Topic is important. The situation definitely should know, because in the starting itself next year you should not face any problems. Starting itself. So because the first lesson, everything is same. What is the procedure here we are learning? Next year, same thing we are going. So it is this, we can say, best basics. If you don't have idea, again you have to learn there, each and everything. You have to imagine, so much risk. So that much of importance is there. Okay, so concentrate. Very easy. I don't know where you are feeling difficulty. It's easy. Just if you know the formula, that formula we know, E is equal to minus gm by r square. That is only the formula. Gm by r square is the formula. This is gravitational field due to point mass. Due to point mass. So we are concerning hollow sphere. So when we are seeing from so far, hollow sphere also acts like a small point charge, point mass. On the surface how much and inside how much, that we explain. So potential, if we see outside gm by r, potential if you see outside will be what is the potential, scalar or vector? Scalar, right? So it will
Scalar,
be
yes.
gm by r. Okay, minus gm by r and minus gm by r, and here also minus gm by r will be there. Here we do potential, we won't get 0. Why we don't get that? We have to check.
So this is
Okay.
for potential.
Yeah, potential we will get
Sir,
outside how
is
much?
that R or smaller?
Capital R. It is smaller. Outside is smaller.
Sir,
Okay.
inside I'm talking about.
Inside is capital R. Why? Because
Okay, yes,
potential.
got it, sir. Because integrating 0 will give a constant.
Yes. So we are going to prove that outside is minus gm by r, on the surface is gm by r, and inside also gm by r. Gravitational field is 0 inside the hollow sphere, but potential is not 0. You should consider that. You should understand that
Sir,
clearly.
the board is blurred for me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you for me.
And your
Sir,
voice
it is
is
lagging,
breaking.
sir.
Internet is very weak, the connection.
Network connection, right?
Sir,
The screen is pixelating for me, sir.
Maths class, it happened nicely only, right?
No, sir, even math class in the starting, it was a little problem with that.
yes, sir.
Now,
Sir, it'll come on its own, sir. No, don't worry about it. You can at least speak, right?
right? Please try to adjust. Okay. So today we
Sir,
will,
the board is still blur, I think, for me.
can you see Asmi, or you can't even see anything?
Sir, we can manage it. But sir, if I will tell if your voice is breaking in between because it was before.
So I will repeat that word. If you say that, sir, I didn't understand, then I will repeat again.
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Okay. So please concentrate. Most it is the last topic. After a small topic is there. Okay. So by Saturday, how many types of model problems are there? Each and every model problem I will explain. So gravitational lesson completely, whatever the topics are there, everything we can complete by Saturday. So it is the last class, and it is very important topic, because next year in the first lesson that you will discuss the same thing. They here gravitational field, their electric field, their
Sir,
gravitational potential, their electric potential. Tell me, ma, Bhargav,
sir, the board's completely pixelated for me.
is it? You can't even see anything, right?
No, sir.
Nagabhushan, for you?
Sir, it same for everyone, sir. Sir, at least we can hear you, no, sir.
Now, Bhargav.
Sir, it's still the same.
Okay. Now, see, there are some changes are going. Okay, so if it is clear, tell me. If it is clear, tell me. Now clear, ma?
No, sir. Like,
No.
it's still the same for me.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's a bright or bright or.
Sir, it's
Sir,
blurred.
the brightness and contrast is fine. The letters are completely pixelated.
So before it was good, no?
Yes, sir.
Max class.
Yes, sir.
Then how come it will be
So the maths class in the starting also there were some problems. Sir.
starting, but end it was clear, no?
Yes, sir. And then
No,
suddenly
no. Okay, come again. Now.
So now like at some 7:10, 7:05ish, I guess your Wi-Fi slowed down a lot, and then the screen went.
It's not a Wi-Fi, it's an internet. So just tell me it's clear or not now. Now?
Sir, it isn't. No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Sir, the network is actually low because sir's voice was also breaking in between.
Yes,
But
sir.
I can hear you properly, no? Nothing.
No, sir,
Sir's
you
voice
can
is
hear us, but
breaking.
sir's voice was breaking.
Sar's voice is breaking out. Okay, just see. Okay, the voice is okay, but how come this board?
Sir, it is unclear.
Now?
No, sir.
Still the same. Only brightness
Brightness
increased.
is fine, sir.
The
Only
brightness and contrast is fine.
And then?
The letters are pixelated.
Color. You want the color?
No, sir, it is blur. It is blur.
No. Just tell me.
no, sir, it's the same.
Sir, can you off the video and on it again?
Huh? I didn't get you. Sorry.
Sir, can you off the video and re-on it?
Okay, just I'll tell. 1 second. Now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I'll restart the system. Just end the meeting. Okay.
So don't do that. Just switch off your turn on